In this video, I'm going to help you get started with affiliate marketing. This is one of my favorite ways to make money, and my business makes over 6 figures in affiliate marketing revenue every year. So I'm really excited. Let's dive in. I have released a full in-depth course on this called Clicks to Cash that I'm going to link in the description of this video for you that will get you so much more information. But if you're just trying to get started and learn the basics today, let's get into it. First of all, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you are sharing about a product or service that you love, and then that company is going to pay you a commission for every sale that you make from sharing it. Typically, this is online, and typically it relies on them having a code or a link. If they're using a link, then typically what happens is when someone clicks that link, it makes sure the cookies, we've all seen those accept all cookies. That's what's happening here, is the cookies are saying, hey, Laney sent this person to our website. That will usually last for some predetermined amount of time, usually about 30 days. And if they make the purchase within those 30 days, then on the back end, they'll be able to say, oh, Laney helped us make this purchase. We're going to give her 10% of that sale. Now, every program is different. And I think the key to getting good at affiliate marketing is starting out with a couple really solid programs and then kind of growing from there. I'm a member of like 40 different programs, so it's kind of overwhelming, but there are about 3 programs that make up the majority of my affiliate income. So what I typically tell you to look for when starting out is a program that is something you are already using, something that you absolutely love, and something that you can really share authentically. You'll hear me say this a lot if you watch my affiliate videos, but authenticity is pretty much your only currency here, and it is basically the only thing that matters. People can see through you if you're not selling authentically, if you're not sharing this product authentically, if you're trying to cover up some of the negatives or cover up the fact that you don't actually really like it. People are gonna be able to tell that you're just doing it for the sponsored money, and they're not gonna appreciate that. So they're not gonna buy that product, but then they're also not gonna buy any products from you further down the line. So treat your authenticity like, you know, the princess in the tower, guard it severely with your life like a dragon. So something probably popped into your mind when I said something you use a lot, something you absolutely love, and that you can share authentically. But is it something where you can actually find an affiliate program for that product? The answer is probably yes. Most types of products do have affiliate programs either set up already, or they're willing to do that for you if you offer. Affiliate and influencer marketing has become so popular, and people love to pay money to help acquire new customers because there's always going to be a customer acquisition cost associated with things. So I've had some really good relationships where I suggested the affiliate program. They were hesitant, and I gave them some examples of my results, types of content I was going to create, my audience numbers, and type of people that were in my audience. And they were like, okay, let's give this a go. And it ended up being a really successful partnership. So if something popped into your head and you're like, I don't know if they're going to have an affiliate partnership, don't be afraid to reach out to them. Typically, you can find affiliate partner info either in your settings of your account or on the footer of the webpage of whatever product it is, or you can just search the product. For instance, Sony affiliate program. I'm looking at my Sony camera. So that's why that one came to mind. But if you just kind of Google that, you can typically tell if they have one. Sometimes affiliate programs are called like partner programs, referral programs, etc. There are a lot of different ways that programs are going to treat affiliates and partners and pay you out. So some of them will pay in cash, some of them will pay in credit, some of them are a percentage, flat fee, etc. We're going to talk in the bigger course about all the things that I look for and some of the things that I don't look for, as well as some things that I always ask them to provide to me as a partner that help me be a lot more successful and make more conversions. Once you find a good program, understand how you are going to make the sales, whether it's a code or a link, and make sure you keep track of that. So for instance, if you're using the Sony affiliate program example, make sure you kind of have a spreadsheet or something somewhere where it says Sony, and you explain, you know, I'm going to make 10% of every sale, and here is my specific link, so that you make sure you have the correct link to send to people at all times. Next up, you're going to start creating content, and you can create so many different types of affiliate content. My favorite is making this a little bit passive. So I really like to practice search engine optimization and use platforms that are more evergreen. When we think about like an Instagram post, most of the time you're getting a lot of likes on it at the beginning, and then it kind of slows down over time. You're not going to continue getting sales from that individual post. However, if you think about TikTok or YouTube or a blog post, for instance, you're still going to be getting hits on that months, if not years down the line. And especially if you keep kind of updating that content, you'll be able to continue to get sales from that for a really long time. So I love platforms like this, and they perform really well with good search engine optimization. So that's, again, something we're going to talk about so much in the course, but just as a general tip, search engine optimization and affiliate marketing go hand in hand so well. So my favorite types of affiliate content to create are actually YouTube videos and blog posts. While you're creating this content, you want to make sure you follow any of your affiliate guidelines, so you can look those up within your specific affiliate agreements. There are some general rules you can follow that you'll find on the FTC guidelines page. And then kind of step 3, after you've picked a really good program to start with and started creating content, is to track your results. This is probably what most affiliate marketers do wrong, is just don't track their results or don't track them in the right way. And unfortunately, it can be really challenging to track your results if you have a bunch of different programs, especially because not every affiliate program is tracked in the same way. Some of them are going to give you a lot of information. Some of them are going to give you basically no information. Some of them are just going to pay you and you kind of have to trust that they're doing things correctly or push back on them. So there's a lot of different methods of tracking this, and you're going to get a lot of different types of data from different programs that you're part of. If you start with a more established program, then most likely you'll have more data to work with, and they'll have better data to work with, so you can really track your results closely. In general, your affiliate key performance and indicators come down to 2 things, which is number of clicks and then number of conversions. And there's a bunch of different ways that you can increase clicks by just getting more eyes or better eyes on your product, sharing it more widely, sharing it on different platforms, etc. And then if you're getting a lot of clicks but not a lot of conversions, then you kind of have to ask yourself, when someone got to this page, why were they not ready to make the click? Was it because it was different than they expected? It was more expensive. They didn't understand the value of it. It's just a hard product. It's a harder product to sell because it is very expensive. There's a lot of different reasons that come into play here. But the only way that you're going to know how to get better is if you start tracking your results very carefully. So I really love to track on a little spreadsheet where I'm keeping track month over month or quarter over quarter, depending on how the different programs pay out, of how many different clicks I got, how many different conversions I got, and if I'm improving over time, as well as how much money that converts to, because some programs are paying you 3 cents per person and some programs are paying you $1,000 per person. So you kind of want to focus and prioritize the programs where you're actively making the most money. So when you're getting started, this might all feel really overwhelming, but I recommend you start by just picking a product that you absolutely love and can share authentically and joining their affiliate program. And then the more comfortable you get with this, the better you're tracking your results and improving those over time, the more money you're going to make, and then you'll have great results to start applying for other programs. The most common misconception is that you need a huge following to be a good affiliate marketer, and we're going to talk about that a lot in the course because it is such a common misconception. But in general, most of the programs that I'm in have not asked or required any specific follower count, size of your account, number of subscribers, etc. They typically are going to accept your application either automatically or based more on the ideas for the content that you're creating and how well you know your audience. So in general, if the product is a really good fit for you, it's going to be a good fit for your audience as well, and they're going to have no trouble purchasing it from you. I have people reaching out to me all the time and saying, hey, what's your affiliate link for this? Because you were the person who originally told me about it, and I want you to get paid when I sign up. I absolutely love affiliate marketing because it's passive. It allows me to connect with new brands. It allows me to partner with products that I already love and share my love for them. And it allows me to make money without really having to sell myself or do customer service on these products. So definitely check out Clicks to Cash if you want to learn more about this. And I have a couple other videos here on my channel about affiliate marketing if you want to dive further. Thanks, everyone.